Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to manage tax withholdings as an employee in Gusto. So it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time, so let's just jump straight into it. Step 1, log into your Gusto account. So you want to start by heading to gusto.com and signing into with your employee credentials. Step 2, navigate to your profile. Now you want to click on your name or avatar that's in the top right corner, and then you're going to select profile from the drop down menu. Step 3, go to tax information. Now that you're in a profile, you want to scroll down to the tax setup or tax withholding section. This is where your federal and state tax information lives. Step 4, review your W-4 details. So you're going to see your current filing status, your allowances, as well as any additional withholding amounts. Just click edit to make changes. Step 5, update and save. Now, after making changes based on your tax needs, just hit save and Gusto will use the new information on your next payroll run. Pro tip, if you're not sure how much to withhold, Gusto links to the IRS tax withholding estimators to help you out with that. And that's it. You're all set to take control of your tax withholdings. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.